Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzel. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I've got another 18 by 24 inch canvas. Who knows what it's going to look like? Okay, so this has some things I like about it, but not enough things that I like about it to keep it as it is. And I'm going to play with a spatula and some texture tools. Now it's good this time I got the black thin enough so that I won't have anything fill in. You know what? I want the graduated tool. This is a Michaels tool. So that's how I start. I've got frozen. I'm going to have to wipe that spatula off pretty quick. And Fandango. Wipe it off. I should have started on that side and gone to this side, but I think I can still cheat. I think more black. I should allow myself to leave some black negative space. That might be okay. I'm thinking pink carnation and orange crush. I could just leave plain areas. I keep thinking that. Alright, one more go. I think one more big black area. sometime I'm really gonna have to leave some negative space. I like these shapes here. I kind of like that. I want something in here. It's kind of dangerous feeling to keep trying to work while I've got wet paint everywhere. This is Viola Blue. Which is very thick. Has not been thinned by Art Fluid, which I definitely recommend, by the way. Blue Flame. See how I like that. I think I'm going to go back to the Frozen again. I think I'm inclined to sneak in a little bit of ginger flower. So I've been trying to spread this paint out. I think I want a little bit more. Ginger flower. I'd like to figure out something to do with these beautiful leftovers. That might be the perfect thing. I'm thinking about turquoises over here. But I need to keep up and keep my tools clean. It's going to be time for a new pair of paint pants before long. I really like this green. And the Frozen. That seems like a goodly amount. Now what am I going to use for turquoise? I've got Chrysocolla. I like this because it's a dark color. I'm really tempted by African Violet. Yeah, I think I like that. I think it's time for the big toothy tool, one I made myself. Because I want to expose some of the colors I know are beautiful under there. maybe the threat I've been making about leaving negative space is time to come true. Because that is pretty cool. I like it. The only thing I see that I'm curious about is this one little white dot, which is no longer. That's pretty cool. What am I going to do to it now? Ha! I've got some dancing fuchsia, and I'm thinking about gold or silver, but I really like this. Come out. I could probably do that a lot, but I'm not sure I need to. I think my gold is very dangerous. Dangerous endeavor, and I may or may not have succeeded in that. And I think I'm done. Somebody's like, we don't trust you, we know you better. I've got this little tool. It was in my parents' watercolor kits. I got one from each of them. Seems to make a fairly consistently nice thin gold line. Probably any line. But it definitely made me fall in love with the background. I'm not sure which way is up yet. I got a couple bubbles I need to get rid of, but otherwise I think that's it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Although, you know, as I say that, as the words leave my lips, that's my nail art tool. There's a lot of gold there. Honestly, more than I want. But I like it now. I like it. It's different. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.